everyone, welcome back to day 21 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I cannot wait to open this item. But first, my name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me. And this is so much fun. All right, I don't know what it is. We're gonna open it and see. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Okay, it's a little gnome-y thing. I'm not sure about this. I'm not gonna like them all. I'm not gonna like them all. This is interesting. I think it's felted wool, so I think it's good for needles. Hang on, let me see. The pins and needles. It's supposed to keep them sharp. So maybe a pin cushion? Not my thing. If you love gnomes, this is adorable. It's adorable. Put that back. It's almost like a, I don't know, a gnome voodoo doll, right? It's cute. It's cute. Not my thing. Yeah. There he is. There's the gnome. And he's felted wool, I think. So I think he's a pin cushion, not sure. But I don't know. He's okay. He's all right. Somebody, I'm sure, I know people who love gnomes who will love him, and they may be getting one for Christmas. It's okay to re-gift, right? I think so. Okay. So yesterday's item, I know some people loved it, some people hated it. There's a total mixed bag. I love it, and I put it together. Well, my husband and I put it together. Let me give him some credit. The flywheel turns. How cute is that? It's adorable. Now the top here is the hook, and that can come off, and you can put in just little pieces to make it like a knick-knack. So if you don't want to use it as an ornament, you can change it out. If I don't lose pieces, I don't know where that went, but you can change it out to be a knick-knack to sit on a shelf. I'm sure that's somewhere here. I think this is adorable. It's so cute, and I love it. I just think it's so fun. It was a little tricky to build. A couple things about the directions. So the way they are, make sure you follow the numbers, because I was going down this way, and that's not what you have to do. You have to do this section. So make sure you follow that. And I think it's number 5, almost said day 5. This is where my head is, right? I think it's number 5 on the instructions. That's the graphic doesn't quite match the picture of what you have. So pay attention to that. Other than that, it was fairly easy to put together. The foot pedal was tough to get in there, to set it in. But overall, it's just so cute. I mean, the little feed dogs or vents are so cute. It's adorable. There's a lot of details. And like I said, that flywheel moving is so cute. I love it. Before we guess tomorrow's item, my husband surprised me with an early Christmas gift. And it was one of these buttons, like the button we got, I don't know, a few days ago, right? And you can record messages on it. So listen. Make sure you take some time to sew. Happy quilting. Oh my goodness, I'm getting these for my kids. Definitely. I'm going to put some recordings on it. I love it. And then there's one more I'll say that at the end though. All right, let's talk about the value of this. There is another brick sewing machine out there that you can make. It has a lot more pieces. So I think this had like 56 pieces. That one has like 100. I tried to figure out like per piece. I was trying to all different things, but I came up with $7.50. This isn't a Lego brand. It is a brick brand, and you can kind of tell with the quality a little bit, in my opinion. After working with some Legos, it definitely is a little bit thinner of pieces or plastic, which is fine. That's okay. So I'm putting this at $7.50 for this kit after I did some math and everything. Again, my opinion, if you love stuff like this, you might pay more. If you hate stuff like this, you might not even buy it. So that brings our running total to $325 we paid here in the United States, at least, $190.75. And that makes us over by $134.25. Again, we're doing great. The value is definitely there. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna guess day 22's item. So warning, warning, warning. Here we go, I'm lifting it up. Lifting it up, here it is. There it is. Okay, there's something in here that feels like a pen or a pencil. It's squishy and lumpy, so it's got lumpiness. But then there's something flat in here. There may be fabric in there. Oh, there's something hard here. That's square. I don't know what this is. Let's shake it. Something moves. I don't know what this is. I can't wait to see. And I can't believe we're coming down to the wire with items. Kind of sad, but it's okay. It's okay. I have other videos, guys. I have other videos to watch. All right. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. Here's the last message.
See you tomorrow for tomorrow's video.
And I'll see you soon. Bye.